If you're a holiday lights installer, stick around and watch the rest of this video. I'll show you how we're using Meta ads, Facebook and Instagram ads, and an AI video to drive leads for a holiday lights installer in the Midwest. I'll show you inside of the ad account right now. We're actually running a number of ads. Some of these ads are image ads where we're just taking pictures of houses that the lights installer they've hung the lights already, they took a picture, and then we're just running that as the ad. We have some ad copy to go along with those images. But what we're testing new this year are AI videos. Obviously, AI is everywhere right now. AI is like the buzzword of 2025 for sure. And even if you are installing holiday lights, there's a good chance you're probably using AI in your business in some way right now. So I want to show you an AI video that my buddy Richard put together for me. He knew we were running holiday lights ads for one of our clients in the Midwest, and he asked if we were using AI videos yet. I told him no. And he said, hang on, let me put together a video or two and I'll send them over and you can test them out. So we did exactly that. We've been running these videos alongside our other ads for the last couple of weeks. One thing to note is that in 2025, we have seen softer performance overall on our holiday lights ads. Last year, we had stronger performance. This year, we're seeing a little less demand for it. Could be the economy, could be inflation, could also just be that this holiday lights installer has been crushing it in their market for the last 2 years, and they put their clients on a 3-year contract. So they've taken a lot of customers off the market for 3 years with their 3-year contracts. And so because they've brought in customers in year 1 and year 2, those are all people who are not clicking and buying or clicking and requesting information about holiday lights this year because they've already got it handled. So they're just looking for incremental new customers this year. And sometimes when you've already bought a bunch of the customers in your area and you're looking for more incremental customers, then you got to pay a premium to bring in those incremental customers. But I'm not talking about a huge increase in cost per lead or anything like that. If you look across this entire account, we're paying on average something like $33 per lead, which is a little higher than I would like, but we're getting great quality leads. These people are buying, they're signing up for the light installs, and so it's going to work out in our favor. What's interesting though is that if you look at the cost per lead across all the different ads that we're running here, you can see $26 a lead, $22 a lead, $39, $36, $54, $60 a lead, right? Like $10 a lead, $1.62. It's all over the place. Now, it would be great if we could just get these $1.62 leads all day long, but unfortunately, Meta ads doesn't really work that way. I think those are actually leads that are coming in through remarketing. But on our prospecting campaign, the campaign where we're going out looking for new customers, people who haven't seen our offer yet, we're paying more like 20 to 30 bucks a lead. Now, which of these ads are outperforming? Meta they can tell us with the data which ad they prefer. And you can see that Meta is spending most of the money over the last 30 or so days, last 40 days. They spent most of the money on this ad right here, which is an AI video ad. I'll show you that ad in just a second. So most of the money has gone to that ad. As a result, that ad has received more impressions than all of the other ads. Some of the others have received about as many impressions. They've spent about as much. And some of them have even brought in a cheaper cost per lead. But look, this one AI video right here has brought in 13 leads at $26.84 per lead. It's also getting shown the most. Meta really likes it. So that tells me Meta believes people like these videos. People are stopping and probably watching the videos, maybe engaging with them for longer than they are with the image ads. Now, the other thing I think is interesting is that I'd be willing to bet our image ads, like this one right here, where we're just showing an image of what the lights will look like on the house. I bet ads like this, the image ones, are performing better as a result of customers in the area seeing multiple creatives from this company. So customers are seeing this picture and another picture, different color lights, different houses. And then they're also seeing AI videos. I think there's 3 different AI videos that we're running. So there's a lot of different creative. Customers aren't seeing the same ad over and over. They're seeing the same company, the same offer positioned to them in different ways. And the different creative, I think, actually helps some ads perform better. So I'd be willing to bet the video ads are improving the results on the image ads. Now, what I think is interesting here is that Facebook is showing this AI video a lot more than others. I'll go ahead and show you what that ad looks like. It has the exact same ad copy as all of the other ads. There's nothing else different about it, but instead of images, we're using this AI video. Now check this out. We're still in the early days of AI video generation here, and this video is absolutely not perfect, but it doesn't matter. It's still one of our highest performers, and customers are still watching it and engaging with it. It's a cool video, but it's absolutely not perfect. And you'll see what I mean. Sometimes the captions don't line up. Sometimes things look a little funny, but overall, these ads look excellent. Look, like homeowners walking into their house, talking about the lights and how amazing their house looks. We got a spokesperson in here. He looks like he works for the company, the Holiday Lights Installer. This is a great ad, right? So that's the AI video that we're running. My buddy Richard generated this for us. We just took it and ran it on Meta alongside all of the other ads that we're doing. And Meta seems to be favoring that ad. So if you need help with Facebook ads, obviously you can reach out. If this video is helpful, hit like, leave a comment if you have questions. Let me know what's working with your Meta ads. If you're running Meta ads to get holiday light installs, I would love to hear what's working for you. This is what's working for us right now. And we're not spending a ton of money on this campaign. You could spend a lot more, I think, than what we're spending here. We probably should hit the gas, but it's November 10th as I make this video right now. And so the holidays are coming up fast. You really want to get these ads running earlier in the season. So we've been running these for at least 30 days now. But if you're going to run these ads, you definitely want to get them running early. I think the earlier, the better. You can get the ads to warm up a little bit, and then you can start to add in more creative, and you can make adjustments to your campaign if you need to as you go. Anyways, I hope this was helpful if you're running holiday lights ads. If you're not running ads to bring in holiday light installation jobs yet, reach out to bookcleaningjobs.com. We can help you out with that. I'll put a link to our website in the description here. We work with cleaning companies all over the United States, but we also work with some holiday light installers. Some of the window cleaners we work with, they do holiday light installations in Q3 and Q4. And we work with a bunch of other companies in the home services space that are not necessarily cleaners. So we just have a lot of experience generating leads for folks on both Google and Facebook. And by the way, I'm showing you what we're doing on Meta right now. We're actually taking this AI video and running it on YouTube ads as well. I didn't include that in this video, but maybe I could show you what happened with the YouTube ads campaign in a future video. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments, because we go all in on this. Like when we run ads for clients, we do Google ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, whatever it takes. As long as the client has the budget and is willing to go, we'll spend as much as they're willing to spend to grow their business. And we'll help you add 6 figures or add 7 figures or whatever you're trying to do. We'll help you grow as much as you're trying to grow, whatever your goals are for your cleaning business or for your home service company. We can help you hit those goals. It just depends on how much you're willing to invest. So if you want to talk about that, click the link in the description. Be happy to chat with you. Otherwise, I'm Ruben with bookcleaningjobs.com, and I'll talk with you later.